Tired of wrinkles and fine lines? Sighing over the mirror every morning? Yearning for that youthful, glowing skin? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to unveil a secret, a recipe passed down through generations, known for its anti-aging properties. A simple yet profoundly effective formula, the rosewater recipe. Imagine roses with their rich, velvety petals, not only a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for the skin. The rosewater recipe exploits the natural benefits of these beautiful blooms. But how, you ask? Let's dive in. The first step in this journey to radiant skin begins at the break of dawn. As the morning dew still lingers, handpick the freshest, most vibrant roses. The early morning harvest ensures the roses are at their peak, bursting with beneficial nutrients. Next, pluck the petals. You need about 2 cups of fresh rose petals, but don't fret over the exact measurements. The more, the merrier, as each petal is packed with rejuvenating properties. Now it's time for the transformation. Place your rose petals in a pot. Pour in enough distilled water to just cover the petals. Too much water dilutes the potency, so be cautious. On a low heat, allow the concoction to simmer until the petals lose their color. What you're left with is a fragrant tinted liquid, your very own homemade rosewater. But wait, we're not finished yet. The final step is to strain the liquid, discarding the petals, and voila! You've created a powerful, natural, anti-aging solution right in your kitchen. Now you might be wondering, why go through all this trouble? The answer lies in the magic of rosewater. It's a natural astringent, tightening pores and restoring suppleness for a smooth complexion. It reduces inflammation, redness, and it's packed with antioxidants which fight off free radicals that cause wrinkles. In summary, this rosewater recipe is your ticket to a youthful, healthy skin. It's simple to make, natural, and the benefits are manifold. It tightens the skin, reduces inflammation, and fights off harmful free radicals. The best part? It's all natural. No chemicals, no preservatives, just the pure essence of roses. So bid farewell to wrinkles and fine lines. Embrace the natural, age-defying power of roses and watch as your skin transforms, becoming softer, smoother, and more youthful. The secret to ageless beauty isn't locked away in expensive creams and serums. It's blooming in your garden, waiting to be discovered.